Ever been stuck in a plane seat belching away? We've all been there. Here's some airborne etiquette for you. First, grab a peppermint. It's a natural belch buster. Second, sip water slowly. Gulping air triggers more belching. Third, avoid carbonated drinks. They're a burp bonanza. Fourth, limit alcohol. It can stir up the stomach. And finally, practice deep breathing. It helps settle your belly. So next time, don't let belching ruin your flight. Have a belch-free journey.